Welcome to the tutorial on managing urgent tasks in production planning. In this video, we show you how to efficiently find time-critical missing components. We will use the app, monitor internal requirements, and use filter options to focus on missing components. Then we'll show you how to save the filter selection as a custom tile on the SAP Fiori launchpad. This lets you track the number of urgent issues and easily start addressing them every day. So let's show you how to do that. To start, go to the Monitor Internal Requirements app. The app displays all components with coverage issues for production orders, process orders, and maintenance orders. Results reflect your selection criteria and area of responsibility. By using the filter options, you may identify the most urgent shortage situations affecting your orders. These shortages might arise from insufficient stock or production delays. In the filter shortage definition, ordered requirements is used by this app. This shortage profile can be set in your configuration environment. It compares planned receipts with ordered requirements and calculates the first shortage at the point in time where the available quantity becomes negative for the first time. Specify a requirement evaluation period, for example, 7 days. You can also use the days remaining filter to show uncovered or only partially covered components that are at risk based on the requirement date. For example, select less than or equal to 2 days to show components with coverage issues within the next 2 working days or that are already delayed. Then choose Go. You see components that are not covered and that require countermeasures urgently. To save this app view with the filter selection, first select the Share push button. Choose Save as Tile from the options. Enter a new title for your tile. This helps you identify it later. Select an existing page under Production Planning. For example, choose Material Planning. Click Apply and then Save to save your new tile. Navigate back to the SAP Fiori launchpad. Here, you'll see your new tile. Use it to monitor critical components. Let's show you how to solve the issue due to missing components in a different example. On the SAP Fiori launchpad, click your custom tile. You see that you have 3 components requiring your attention. By default, the table shows several columns. First, there are the columns Component and Requirement Date. The Quantity Overview column shows a chart that visualizes coverage for requirements. It uses color coding to indicate issued, covered, and missing quantities. Green stands for open quantities that can be covered on time. Red stands for missing quantities that are late or uncovered. The Open Quantity column shows the component quantity that has not yet been provided. This amount still needs to be covered to fully meet the requirement. The Missing Quantity column shows the portion of the required quantity that is late or not covered. To solve the issues, you can go to the Manage Internal Requirements app. To do so, select the line of the component or select all components and choose Manage Requirements. This opens the app, Manage Internal Requirements. Let's change the production quantity of the production order. This may resolve the shortage, but check if it's feasible. Navigate back to the Material Planning page on the SAP Fiori launchpad. You'll see the table now shows no issues. Next time, choose the Custom tile on the SAP Fiori launchpad for quick access to your filtered view. This ensures timely management of tasks. You're now equipped to identify time-critical, missing components and can now access them immediately to take action. Thank you for watching. AI-generated audio.